What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the action cannot be completed because the file is open in another program error you are getting on your Windows PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, try to determine which file is currently open in the program you're trying to close. To see this, open up your File Explorer. Here, head to the directory where the file you need to close is located. If you are trying to delete the file, you can try to delete it again from here. In the pop-up window, see if the program name in which the file is running is visible or not. If the program name is mentioned, take note of it and then proceed to terminate that program via your Task Manager. To do so, search for a Task Manager in your Start menu and hit Enter. In the Processes section, try to locate the program. Once found, right-click to open a drop-down menu and select End Task. If you cannot find the program manually, then search for it in the Task Manager search bar. Once located, repeat the same steps and proceed to end that process. With that done, head back to the file location and proceed to delete it again. This will hopefully resolve your issue. In case this method doesn't work, then it could be that some program or file located in your local disk's temporary folder is using it. If this is the case, the solution is to delete all the programs or files in your temporary files folder. Search for %temp% in your Start menu search and hit Enter. Your File Explorer will open up. Here, proceed to delete all the files in this folder. Some files will remain, so just leave them there. These are temporary files saved by your programs that should be deleted. If your file was located here, the error should be fixed. If all else fails, open up your Resource Monitor from your Start menu. Switch to the CPU tab and proceed to expand the associated Handled section. Type the exact name of the file you're trying to remove or simply copy and paste the file name here. In the search results below, end the first process you see, and then try to delete the file again. This will fix the action cannot be completed because the file is open in another program error you are getting for that file. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.